Before you attach this hook to the waistband of your trousers or skirt, I need you to watch this video because the positioning matters a lot. After sewing your waistband, you are going to take this part right here. This is the part you are going to sew your buttonhole to. So because this part is very light, I'm going to attach a collar stay underneath it and also mark the point where I'll be putting the hook. So I'm just going to place the collar stay under that particular point where I've already marked. And then this is a hook which will be attaching to the waistband. So let me arrange it properly. So you are going to pin this hook through this point where you've already marked. You can see me pinning it through. Press it hard and it's going to pass through the material and also the collar stay which you put under it. So for this case, I've pressed it through the material and then I'm going to place the collar stay and press it through again. I'm doing this because I want the hook to be firm and strong after completing the process. So after pinning it through the collar stay, you are going to take the cover right here, then you pass it through the hole and look for something to bend it. You are going to press these two parts that is very sharp. You look for something to bend it so that it will hold to the other iron right here, just like I'm doing it in this video right now. So after doing it for this part, you can see that this part is strong already. I'm trying to pull it and you can see that it's very strong and firm. So this is one part of the hook. We arrange it. This is what you have. So let's move to the other part. This part, there's collar stay under already, so you just need to pin it through the particular point where you've already marked. So you can see me pinning it through and it's going to come out of the collar stay at the back. Press it very well. You can see it now. That's come out. So you're also going to close it up. This second part also has a cover, but I couldn't find my cover while making this video, so I'm just going to fold it like this and pass it through like this, so you can see. So after fixing it and it's very strong, it's not coming out, you can turn your waistband over and you close up the waistband. You sew the edge together and then you have this result. If you enjoyed this video, also click on this other one.